Hey, Chef and Chefettes.
What's up, YouTube? We are back! Back with another video, baby! Guys, let's jump right into this recipe. Tell them what we cooking today.
We're cooking a banger.
We are cooking a... We're cooking a banger.
Yeah, a banging recipe for you guys.
Yes. So, tell them what we cooking.
No, you tell them. I just told them we're cooking a banging recipe.
Every single time we go through this. Tell them what we cooking.
We're making Korean chicken, guys. You know they can see it in the title, right? They can see it in the title.
Guys, we're making Korean fried chicken. I should have told you myself.
I told you to tell them.
Guys, so without further ado, it's about to go down.
Guys, welcome to our channel. For those who are new, thanks for joining us. For those who have been hanging with us, welcome back, guys.
Hit that subscribe button.
Well, thanks for jumping into my scene and telling them.
Subscribe!
Guys, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, all right? So
Yes,
we're
sir.
jumping in. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Subscribe, like.
So guys, we're jumping right in to the ingredients and what we need to make this recipe, all right?
Korean fried chicken.
So we have here everything you need. Of course, we're making fried chicken, so you're gonna need some oil.
Excuse me.
What? Yes.
Korean fried chicken. Thank you.
You said it done 5 times, my friend.
Did I say we were making Korean fried chicken?
If you didn't say it, they see it in the title.
Carry on.
Guys, so you need some oil, okay?
You alright?
To make your Korean fried chicken. Now, you need some salt. We need black pepper.
Sea salt.
If you do not have sea salt and you have regular salt, you can use regular salt. That is okay. It would just be a little bit saltier, so use the salt to your preference, how you like it, okay? You need soy sauce, you need some cornstarch, you need spicy brown mustard. Not regular, spicy brown mustard, just a little bit. You need some vinegar, you need some rice wine, we need brown sugar, we got some fresh ginger, some fresh garlic, some fat chili peppers,
Red chili peppers.
unsalted.
Unseeded and cut up. I'm sorry.
Do you want to do this scene?
Carry on. Just making sure you get everything.
Some unsalted peanuts.
Peanuts.
And some sesame seeds, guys.
Sesame seeds.
And can't make this without some chicken, right? So we have about 2 pounds of wingettes here, freshly cleaned and sitting tight. So guys, stay with us and we're going to show you what to do next.
Hey, chefs and chefettes. Back with the next step. So far, what we did was we took our cleaned chicken wings. We seasoned it with our sea salt, our black pepper, and the ginger we crushed up. That's it. That's all you have to do. We seasoned it. We let it sit for about 30 minutes. Now we're going to fry it. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the seasoned chicken. You're going to coat it in your cornstarch. And you're going to put it in the frying pan. Guys, come close so you can see. So I'm going to do this to all the pieces. Coat it in cornstarch. Put it in the frying pan. Guys, but guess what?
What?
To make these Korean chicken wings, you fry it not once, but twice.
With love the second time?
No.
Oh.
With Corona.
Oh. So is this a special technique to do the second time?
I'm just kidding. No, guys. We're going to show you how to do it. But basically, you're going to fry it. You're going to take it out. let the oil dry off on a paper towel, a rag, whatever you put your chicken wings on, and then you're gonna put them all back in together. So for this step, all we're gonna do is we're gonna fry a couple of pieces. We're not gonna cram everything in at once. We're gonna fry a couple pieces, take it out, fry the rest, and then when we're done, we're gonna put everything back in the frying pan. Hey chefs and chefettes, so we fried all the chicken wings in our cornstarch one time.
What are you eating?
Peanuts.
You eating the profit?
I love the who?
You eating the recipe?
What? What did you say before that?
The profit?
What the hell is a profit?
Bro, do not eat the peanuts.
What the hell is a profit?
Don't do that.
You Jehovah's Witness?
Don't do that.
Anyways, guys, so we fried the chicken wings once. Now we're gonna fry them all twice, for a second time. You're gonna put all your chicken wings back in the oil, and you're gonna double fry, yes. The recipe calls for the chicken wings to be fried twice.
I'm coming in to see what they look like.
Why? Because you want it extra crispy. I'm gonna double fry everything for about 2-3 minutes, guys. Tastes good. Once the chicken wings are done double frying, I'm gonna fry the peanuts, guys.
Alright guys, welcome back. I hope you guys are sticking it out with us. Guys, remember to like and subscribe, alright?
Yes! Hit that subscribe button.
Yes.
If you're new, subscribe.
Subscribe. Guys, so the chicken was already double fried. It's out. You see how good it looks? I picked up a piece of crumb. So crunchy.
You
and
always
delicious.
stealing food.
Oh, I said that out loud. Right?
Yeah, you stole a crumb. You didn't pick up a piece of crumb. You stole a crumb.
So good.
Don't
I didn't do it.
don't put your saliva on.
I did it. Look, it's still here.
All right.
Still here. All right. Guys, so watch what I'm about to do. I have 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, all right? And we're gonna cook in our wok. If you don't have a wok, that's fine. You can cook in a frying pan, just the same. It's going to do the same thing. Pay attention. We're gonna let it heat up a little bit. Crank this bad boy up just a little bit.
Yes, get you an electric wok, guys, or get a regular wok.
Yeah, it's pretty convenient. And you know what? We find that it actually cooks our stuff faster for some reason. So we have here 3
red chili peppers.
red fat chili peppers.
And seeded.
I don't even gotta speak.
Oh, look at
I'm
that.
just gonna hold it up and you're gonna say.
Oh, let's try it. So guys,
All right.
go ahead, Vanna White, go ahead. So here we have 3 red chili peppers.
Hurry up, the oil hot.
We cut open and we took out the seeds and we gutted 3 chili peppers, guys.
Chili peppers, guys.
All right, what's next? I like this. Next we have our minced up garlic.
4 minced up garlic, guys.
4 minced up garlic.
We're gonna throw this in first.
Yes, guys, go ahead. Ooh, it's hot.
Yes.
Ooh, there go the minced up garlic in there first. All right. It smells good, the aroma. Oh, that's why I gained so much weight. Just cooking.
That is true.
It smells. No, I didn't ask for you to co-sign that.
No.
I didn't need you to co-sign it. No.
Well, I
You
gained
know,
weight too.
you know what a rhetorical thing is? That was a rhetorical statement.
Well, I gained weight too.
I didn't need you. I didn't need you to
I
co-sign
went
it.
in the right places, but I still gained weight. It's that quarantine.
Don't be co-signing my fat jokes.
Guys, so the garlic is already in there. You hear it? You see it? We got our chili. We're not gonna waste no time. We're throwing them
Chili,
right in
cocoa
there.
pie, chili
One
pie.
We're gonna mix it together. Let that brown up a little bit. And we're gonna cook this until like the chilies you see it getting a little bit soft. All right?
It smells so good in
It
here.
really smells really,
Oh,
really good.
it's orgasmic.
It's so good. When you see your garlic start to get a little brown, all right, that's when we're gonna add our 1/4 cup of soy sauce. And make sure you mix it around, guys, so everything is nicely coated. That's so nice. That's nice.
What you doing?
And now soy sauce.
Now we eating the soy sauce.
Let me hold it up.
We can
1/4
see it.
cup
We can
soy
see it.
sauce. Boom. Just just like that. Mix this around, let this cook a little bit. I'm gonna put up our flame. All right, guys? Once this starts to boil a little bit, the next thing we're gonna add is a tablespoon of vinegar. See that right there?
Yeah,
we're gonna add that in there, and it's gonna give it a little tangy taste.
Okay. Oh, we see it. I see it bubbling.
Y'all see that?
Yeah, buddy.
So make sure if you don't see this going, then crank up your flame a little bit. You want to see this bubbling. This is a good sign. Move it around.
We want to come in closer.
Come in closer before I go get my vinegar. Look at that. Y'all see that?
We see it.
Yes. We'll get our vinegar.
How much vinegar are you putting?
1 tablespoon.
1 tablespoon, guys. Oh, God, it smells so damn good. Korean fried chicken, make it.
Yes. And a tablespoon of spicy brown mustard.
Oh, sorry. Oh, I done knocked the camera.
Just a little squeeze.
Tablespoon of spicy brown mustard or mustard powder. Whatever you have. If you got the spicy mustard or you got mustard powder, you want to put a tablespoon of that.
So good.
Yes, it does.
Mix that together, guys. Make sure everything is mixing and it's still boiling. Guys, this is what's gonna make the chicken go BAM!
It's gonna make it Korean.
It's gonna make it Korean.
Ooh, damn, it smells good. I wish you guys could smell this. I'm gonna come right in. I'm gonna come in real quick. Get a little zoom action. Little zoom. Ooh! It smells damn good in this kitchen.
Damn good.
Make
Guys.
you wanna smack yo. Hey, boo.
Hey, not me. Guys, so with that tanginess, we're gonna add a little bit of sweetness, all right? To balance it out. So we got some brown sugar.
Brown
okay?
sugar.
Brown sugar.
Brown sugar, baby.
Throw it right in there.
That was a song back in the day. D'Angelo. Brown sugar, baby. I want some brown sugar. You want some brown sugar. Oh, y'all don't know that song?
No. And guys, we have a cup of
That's too damn.
rice
That's what it is.
wine, guys.
A cup of rice wine, guys. If you don't have rice wine, you can use Japanese sake. You don't have Japanese sake, then use buttermilk, guys. But get you some rice wine.
Yes.
Yo, it smells so good. I just want to drop this camera and lick that pot.
So we're gonna let this boil for a little bit, like cook up a little bit, and then guess what?
Well, guess what? What? Tell us.
We're gonna take this chicken right here,
Mm-hmm.
and we're gonna throw it in there.
Woo!
So wait for it. We're gonna show you how to get down.
Hey, chefs and chefettes, we're down to the final step. So we added our chicken wings into our sauce mixture. Guess what? We've mixed it around a couple of times for about 2 to 3 minutes. And now we're gonna add the peanuts. Guys, are you guys excited as me?
I'm excited.
Come close, let me show you.
Yeah.
Come. So I've added the peanuts. I'm gonna mix it around a few times. See that? See how
my
good
God,
that's
look-
looking?
those peanuts
See those
look
peanuts?
good.
I wanna,
That Korean sauce
Ooh.
looks banging.
All right, back up here,
Sorry.
Cameraman, I'm gonna
Camera
find-
woman, camera woman.
Camerawoman, I'm gonna
Okay,
find
all
you.
right.
So guys, we're gonna mix this around for about 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure the peanuts and the chicken are completely covered in the sauce. And then we're gonna sprinkle our sesame seeds on and we're gonna plate it. That's it.
Hey guys, we're back with.
The finished product.
Oh yeah, look how delicious it looks. What you snacking on?
Fried peanuts.
Yummy.
I ain't never had fried peanuts before, but it's good. Look.
Look at this Korean fried chicken, guys. Look how amazing it looks. That's yours. That one's yours.
Give me the damn chicken.
We didn't even do no mukbang before you even started. Sorry.
Thumbnail.
Thumbnail, yeah. We didn't
All right,
even
I'm
do
going
that.
back.
No, you put it.
There we go.
Take a chicken.
Don't touch it. I don't want it.
Hold the chicken.
I don't want it. You touched it. I don't want it.
Oh my god.
I don't want it.
I'm putting this on the side.
I don't want it. You touched it. Let's do a thumbnail. I don't want that. Thumbnail. 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 guy make this Korean fried chicken.
Then don't invite him for dinner.
My damn chicken. I don't want that one. I want another one. You touch that one.
Guys.
That's it. And we are out.